Hello, my name's Zara, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you this really cool bag that I made. It's made from a mini suitcase I found in a charity shop for 50p. 50p, that's like, I don't know, what's that in dollars? A quarter, whatever you call it, or maybe a little bit more. And I've put this fluffy side. It's so fluffy, I'm gonna die! I am absolutely in love with the bag. And on the back, it's covered in these stickers. Just look at that. I know this is not to everyone's taste, but I think it's so cool. And I've got this chain. So I will explain everything in the video. Let's get on with it. So here is the box. I'm going to take this thingy off and the sticker, the 50p sticker. So yeah, this was 50p from a charity shop. When I open it, it looks like this on the inside. My first Christmas. So I'm going to transform this. So first of all, I'm just going to take the sticker off. Hopefully it's not one of those annoying ones. So I've removed the sticker and I've taken off that annoying label. I'm so glad it's gone. First of all, I'm going to work on the inside. So I've actually printed out these Lucky Charm, or this Lucky Charm image onto sticker paper. And basically I'm going to place this onto the sticker paper, probably on the back. And I'm going to draw around it. So I want like this part and this part, and then probably the edges as well. And then I'm going to like stick it in. So I've cut my Lucky Charms like sticker sheets up, and I'm just making sure they fit. So for the edges I just cut the strip the same height or depth, and then I'm just going to stick it on. I'm not really worried about it all matching up because it's just the inside anyway. So there's a hair there. And like so. And then same for the lid here, I've got like 2 strips I'm just going to stick in. And before I stick them down, I'm going to use a pink Posca marker, which is in my pencil case here somewhere. Basically they look like this, and I'm going to just go around like the inside edges, just in case the stickers don't like all match up correctly. I know this one doesn't on the inside, if you can kind of see that there. This one I had a lot of difficulty with, so I just kind of eyeballed it and cut it down a bit. And I don't really want to be able to see this green and white, so that's the reason for that. So as you can see, I've used my pink Posca pen, so these are just the paint pens, and I've gone around the edges quite roughly, to be honest, but that doesn't matter. So next I'm going to start putting in the stickers. So I think I will start, yeah, with the bottom. Pow! This is looking really cool, so I've covered it all in the Lucky Charm stickers. So now I can close it, and I'm going to work on this back part. So I'm going to like paint this pink. I did start using my Posca pen, but it's too small. Like I've got one with a small nib and I want to get like really good coverage. So I'm going to mix this pink and white and try and make like a light pink, and I'm going to paint the whole of this back here and this. I'm going to try and not get it on the metal, but let's see how I go. So, pow, I'm back. Oops, I'm back from painting, or I painted this yesterday actually. It's really, really rough. You can probably still see the stuff underneath, but I'm not too worried, as I don't remember if I said, but I'm going to be putting stickers on. And I also went around this edge with just like my Posca pen, but the last thing I'm doing might cover this up, or I might change my mind on how I'm going to do it. But anyway, that's my creative process at the moment. So I'm going to be starting with my big stickers. So I've got a bunch here, and then I'll fill in gaps with smaller stickers. Really like these balloons. and then I will fill in the even smaller gaps with these tiny stickers I have here. Just show you a few, like these ones, and then hopefully if there's any more gaps left you will just be seeing the pink that I painted. That's why I just did it really rough, as it's not really going to be seen anyway. So let me carry on with that. So I finished putting all the stickers on. This is how it looks. It's like that collage style, and I tried to stick with like a colour theme of pink, as you can tell. Here's like the bottom and then the sides, you can see here. And I actually left some of the pink coming through rather than using all my tiny stickers, mainly on the sides, because I thought it actually didn't look that bad. It looked kind of cool. I'm really happy with it. I really love it. I could see it in my head before I did it all, and it's actually turned out better than I imagined. And now lastly, I'm just going to close this so it doesn't keep opening. I'm going to do this part, and for that I've got this, which is basically a fluffy seat cover. If I just zoom out you can see it properly, and it's about 30 centimeters in diameter. I will put a link in the description. I got this off Amazon and I think it was around £8. So far this has cost me £8.50 I'd say. And I'm going to draw around this, probably on some paper, and then I'm going to use it as a template and then put it on here so I know where to cut out. I'm not sure how easy this is going to be to cut, as it is really thick, so I have some strong scissors downstairs which I might grab, and I'll see how I get on. So I've cut the like fluffy, the faux fur to size. So all I need to do now is basically stick it down. I also used this like glitter pink Posca pen, this one, just to go around the like edge again, as it wasn't looking that great with just the pink on its own, and now I think it looks a lot better. It's like shiny in that. So for this faux fur I'm going to put some super glue all around here, making sure I get to the edges, as I don't want it to peel off. I got this chain, or like bag strap should I say, off Amazon. I will also put a link in the description. It came with a gold one too, but obviously this is like silver, so it will work better. And it's got these, what are they called? Clips? I can't remember the name, but basically you can do this. And I can attach it onto the bag down here. Oops. So that I can make it into a shoulder bag and I don't have to carry it by the little handle, and I can also take it off if I want to, just hold it with the handle as well. So that's the end. Here is the final bag. Obviously I showed you in the beginning, so I'm just going to show you it on quickly. This is like how it looks. It's quite a long chain that I got. Again, the link is in the description, and you can always swap it around and have the stickers showing instead of the fluffy side if you want. So I hope you enjoyed watching the video. If you did, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Also, please, if you could do a massive favour and share the video if you liked it, just send it to a friend or something like that, someone you think would enjoy this, and that would like give me a boost and a great help for my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye!